Hey guys, it's Addison, and today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. And you're going to, and basically, if you're going to a party and you don't know what to wear, and you don't know what to put on your face, this is basically the right video. At the end of this video, give this video a big thumbs up. First, what you're going to be doing is you're going to grab, first on the list is you're going to need an ultra brush, VS, and it's eyeshadow, Bobbi Brown, it's like an eyeshadow too, it's like a goldish color thing. You're gonna need hourglass. You're gonna need a brush for your face. You're gonna need Too Faced, I guess. If you guys know how to, if you guys know this writing, you guys can probably tell. You're gonna need Hello Flameless Oxygen. Wow, it's oil free and it's Benefit. And I think it's from Benefit. It's a little bottle. And you're gonna need Bobbi Brown Powder Pearl, I guess. And you're gonna need full coverage liquid concealer, and it's waterproof, so yeah. And that you need to go to Ulta for that. And you need a lip gloss, and it needs to be Bobbi Brown. It's like this glossy thing. You're gonna need Channel, and it's like this little, and it's like that color. And you're gonna need beauty gems and a brush. So first, you're gonna grab full color coverage liquid concealer, a brush, Hello Flameless Oxygen. Wow, oil free. Wow, oil free, and it's so yeah. First, you're gonna grab this. You're gonna put on there. What's on that? And you're also gonna put this. Then you're gonna put on your face and your neck. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this, this, and it's beauty gems, and you're gonna need Bobbi Brown, this color, ultra brush, and you're gonna need VS, and you're gonna need and yeah, that's what you need. And you're going to grab beauty gems first, and you're going to open it. And you're gonna see this gold color, and you're gonna get that color. And you're going to put on your eyelids. And then you're gonna close it. And then you're gonna need Bobbi Brown. You're gonna open it. And you're gonna grab these colors and these colors. And you're gonna put on your eyelids. And then you're going to need VS. And you're going to grab this gold one. And you're going to put on your eyelids. And then you're going to have hourglass. And you're going to grab your fingers. And you're going to do this. And wipe it on your face. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this Two-Faced, I guess. So then you're going to open it and you're going to put it on your eyelashes. And then you're going to close it. And then you're going to do is you're going to grab this. And you're going to, oh gosh. And I forgot one thing on the eyes, obviously. Some people forget stuff. You're gonna put that on your eyes. And then what you're going to do, you don't have to do this step. You have to put this lip gloss on. So then you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna do this. Then you're gonna close it. You're gonna grab this. And you're gonna put on your lips. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna part your hair to the side like this. And then that's the end of my video, guys. So bye and have a nice day.